Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Little Teacher Vaiga, and today we can learn the Hindi poem Kaun. Padat कौन? किसने बटन हमारे कुतरे, किसने स्याही को भी कराया, कौन चटकर गया दुबक कर, गरबर में अनाज बिखराया. किसने बटन हमारे कुतरे. Kutere means someone is cutting something into small pieces. Who has cut our buttons into small pieces? किसने स्याही को बिखराया. स्याही means ink. बिखराया means spread or spray. Who has sprayed ink everywhere? कौन चटकर गया दुबक कर. Chat means eat. Dubakkar means quietly hiding. Who is eating the food and quietly hiding? Garbar में अनाज बिखराया. Garbar means the full house. Anaj means grain. Bikaraya means spread or spray. The full house is spreaded grains. दोना खाली रखा रह गया, कौन ले गया उठा मिठाई. दो टूकते तस्वीर हो गई, किसने रस्सी काट बहाई. दोना खाली रखा रह गया. No, दोना means a vessel made up of leaf, and khali means empty. The vessel is empty now. कौन ले गया उठा मिठाई. उठा means take. मिठाई sweet. Who has took the sweets from there? दो टूकते तस्वीर हो गई. दो टूकते means to break into two parts. तस्वीर means photo frame. The photo frame break into two parts. किसने रस्सी काट बहाई. रस्सी means rope. काट means cut. Who has cut the rope? कभी कुतर जाता है चप्पल, कभी कुतर जूता है जाता. कभी कलीता पर बन आती, अनजाने पैसा गिर जाता. कभी कुतर जाता है चप्पल. कुतर means to cut it into small parts. Chappal means slippers. Sometimes it is cutting slippers. कभी कुतर जोता है जाता. जोता shoe. And sometimes it is cutting shoes also. कभी कलीता पर बन आती. Now it's the turn of Kalita means pants pocket. Sometimes it is cutting our pants pocket also. Anjane paisa gir jata. Anjane means unknowingly. Paisa money. Gir jata fall down. Unknowingly money is falling down. किसने जिल्द काट डाली है. बिखर गए पोदी के पन्ने. रोज टाकता दो दोकर में, कौन उठा ले जाता छन्ने. किसने जिल्द काट डाली है. जिल्द means book's cover. Who has cut the book's cover? What will happen when the book's cover is cut? Slowly the pages will come out. So that's self here also happen. बिकर गए पोदी के पन्ने. पोदी means book. Panne means pages. Slowly the pages are coming out. रोज टांगता दो दोकर में. रोज टाकता, every day. I am washing a cloth. Every day I am washing a cloth. रोज टाकता दो धोकर में. कौन उठा ले जाता चन्नी. Who is taking it and going? Who is taking the cloth and going? Okay. किसने बटन हमारे कुतरे, किसने स्याही को बिखराया. कौन चटकर गया दुबक कर, गड़बड़ में अनाज बिखराया. दोना खाली रखा रख गया, कौन ले गया उठा मिठाई. दो टूटे तस्वीर हो गई, किसने रस्सी काट बहाई. कभी कुतर जाता है चप्पल, कभी कुतर जूता है जाता. कभी कलीता पर बन आती, अनजाने पैसा गिर जाता. किसने जिल्द काट डाली है, बिखर गए पोदी के पन्ने. रोज टांगता दो धोकर में, कौन उठा ले जाता चन्ने. कुतर कुतर कर कागज सारे, रद्दी से घर को भर जाता. कौन कबाड़ी है जो कूटा, दुनिया भर का घर भर जाता. कुतर कुतर कर कागज सारे means pages, books pages, and kutar means cutting it into small pieces. It is cutting the papers into small pieces. रद्दी से घर को भर जाता, रद्दी से, and bringing it into my house. कौन कबाड़ी है जो कूटा. Who is this? Kabadi means junk seller. Who is this junk seller who brings these all waste into my house? दुनिया भर का घर भर जाता. All these waste into my house. It is cutting the papers into small pieces and bringing it into my house. Who is this junk seller who brings all these waste into my house? कौन रात भर गड़बड़ करता. हमें नहीं दोता है सोने. कुरकुर करता इधर उधर है, ढूंढा करता छिप कोने. कौन रात भर गड़बड़ करता. गड़बड़ means mischief. Who is doing all these mischiefs in night? In daytime we cannot see him, but in night we can hear its voice. हमें नहीं दोता है सोने. Even we cannot sleep in the night also. कुरकुर करता इधर उधर है. Kurkur means it's sound. It's making kurkur sound here and there. ढूंढा करता छिप कोने. He is going somewhere searching something to eat. Next paragraph. रोज रात भर जगता रहता. कुरकुर इधर उधर है दाता. बच्चों उसका नाम बताओ, कौन शरारत यह कर जाता. रोज रात भर जगता रहता. In night it is not sleeping, it is always awake. कुरकुर इधर उधर है जाता. We cannot catch him. He is very fast. बच्चों उसका नाम बताओ. Kids, tell his name, who we were discussing this much time. कौन शरारत यह कर जाता? Who is making these mischiefs? Who is doing these mischiefs? At last, the poet is asking about it. Who is it? It is a rat. Yes, it is a rat. It is cutting the buttons into small pieces, spraying the ink everywhere, eating the food and quietly hiding. The full house he is spreading the grains. The vessel is empty. He breaks the photo frame into 2 parts. He cut the rope. Sometimes it is cutting slippers, sometimes it is cutting shoes and pocket of our clothes, and unknowingly money is falling down. It is also cutting the book cover, and slowly book pages are coming out. Somebody is washing. I am washing it cloth every day, but who is taking it and going? It is going by taking that cloth, and it is cutting the papers into small pieces and bringing it into my house. And this junk seller is taking all the waste from every house and bringing it. In night it is not sleeping. It's making mess everywhere. So we can all imagine it's a rat in the first place itself. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. See you next video.